happy Planner Wednesday, and this spread is from December 17th through December 23rd. And what I'm going to be doing this week is just using Dollar Tree stickers. As you all know, Christmas is so close, and I know you all are busy, and I am swamped. So I really didn't have a lot of time. So I have these stickers from Dollar Tree, and I think they're gorgeous. They are so, so pretty. They look almost, Santa almost looks like his beard is wood. And I just picked up these two papers to go with it. I'm pretty sure I got these at Michael's. And then this washi with the holly, I'm pretty sure I got that at Michael's as well. And I'm going to be using just a green Paper Mate marker. So let me take my pages out of my planner. I'm so happy that everyone loved the Home Alone theme. I had fun. Okay, I've decided that I want this paper to be the dominant theme. I think it is just so cute. So I'm going to cut it first. Okay, now I'm going to cut this next. I really like this paper as well. It looks so warm. When I look at it, I just think it seems so warm. Okay, let's start putting our paper down where we want it. I think this is going to be a really cute little spread. Oh, that's cute. Okay, let's start gluing our paper down. That's cute. Oh, I think that's really cute. Okay, let's start putting our washi down. And I think this just looks so happy, this washi. and cheerful looking and picks up the colors in this spread. But I've said this so many times, you can make a planner so inexpensively with Dollar Tree stickers, and they're washi. But I haven't seen any washi here lately at my Dollar Tree. I hope they get some more in. I bought this washi last year in a set. I really like how this is turning out. It looks so cute. I really like that, okay? Now let's start putting our stickers down. Like I said, the stickers are from the Dollar Tree. They came out this year. I think they are super adorable. I think I'll put Santa right there. And I think I'll put Joy about right here. These are such pretty stickers, they really are. I think I'm gonna put these right here. And a pretty little Christmas tree. I think I'll stick it right here. Okay, and then the little mittens, I'll put this one right here. And maybe that one right there. And a big old snowflake right there. And some of these pine cones, they're so cute. Right there. And I'll put a candy cane, I think, maybe here. And you don't have to use everything that comes in here. And I might only just use one more thing. I think I may just put this one right here. And I'm not going to use the rest of my stickers. So let me just write a few things down. Okay, let's put my pages back in my planner and we'll take a look at it, but I think this turned out really cute. I love Dollar Tree stickers. And like I've said, I love their washi. Even though this wasn't Dollar Tree washi, I do like this washi, but I love Dollar Tree's washi as well. Okay, so here's my spread for this week. I really love how it turned out. I love these stickers. They're so pretty. And then I love this washi and my paper. I think it all really goes together nicely. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.